EDB is planning to organize Sri Lanka Expo 2011 in 2012 in 2012 March next year. The objective is this fair is to attract overseas buyers to the country and instill buyer confidence in our products and services. Over 300 exporters will display their products and services, and we expect to attract more than 500 buyers from all over the world.
Mega Export Exhibition Sri Lanka Expo 2012 and sets a new export target of $20 billion by 2020. The endowment from our exports to the projected future national growth has increased in its significance while also adhering to the national development objectives as stipulated by the Mahinda Chintanaya policy framework. As you may already be aware, the Mahinda Chintanaya framework clearly accords high priority for the export sector.
The Expo 2012, a much-awaited international export exhibition, will take place from the 28th, 29th and 30th of March next year. And this will be the largest the display of our export products and services to the world. And we are planning to display all the products and services which Sri Lanka produces to the world. As many as 300 exporters will come and display their products. And we have a few objectives in our mind to achieve from this event. That is to attract the foreign buyers for our products and services, and to attract FDIs, foreign direct investments into the country, and to promote tourism. Our objectives are threefold: to target trade, investments, and the tourism. You talk to Mars, the owner of Mars. You talk to the owner of Dilmah or Blesna. You talk to the owner of any big exporter today. One day, that the company was a recipient of a direct benefit from ADB. Forum of business, we have direct and indirect benefits, which will come to the exporters.
Series of articles running up to the event day. So you are really getting the momentum up, how the SME has become a major people. It's true enough that any country, the backbone, okay, 70% is SMEs, but end of the day, these big people are running the economy. So how EDB has taken this role in the past so many years. So some information is available at EDB, but you can authenticate that with that respective people. So that's a very good question that you asked.
And if you look at the export figures for the last 5 months, are very encouraging. They are having an overall growth of almost 42%. If the export trade will continue at a speed of 25%, we will overachieve our target for the year 2011. So that's why I said that we are at the right time, the right place. Therefore, event of this nature, Expo 2012, is a very important event. We are trying to focus on these three areas: the trade, investment, and the tourism. Organizing this event with the other line agencies like Ministry of Economic Development, the T-Board, the Foreign Ministry, the BOI, the Agriculture Department, all the stakeholders will take part and support this event. This will be an event to be reckoned with in time to come. We'll be having 5 to 6 ministerial delegations. We are looking at delegations from the ministerial delegations from America, the USSR, the Middle East, the SAARC region, and China. In addition to that, we are targeting 1,000 serious buyers to come from our existing markets of America, USA, Europe, EU and USA, from SAARC, from Middle East, from Africa. So we are quite sure that with the support that we get from the other line agencies, this task will be easy. Main objective is this event is to launch our website and the new logo, as you can see here. Expo 2012 Sri Lanka. The foreign visitors and buyers can log on to this and register. And these are the agencies that stakeholders, the T board. We have many. The practice at DTB now is to get the support of many as possible from the private and the public sector. The knowledge hub, the spices, the world best spices that we produce, the tea, the Ceylon tea. Many new species that we have introduced. We produce the world's best tuna and the other products. The best revenue from coming from